Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I will be showing you how to report traffic on Waze. So, in order for you to do this process, first things first is of course just simply open the Waze application into your device. And now guys, make sure to turn on the location as well. Now, over here, on the Waze, you can just simply go ahead and tap on the yellow icon with the plus icon at the right side at the bottom of the screen. Now, go ahead and tap on it. And from here, if you have this option over here, make sure you are outdoors in order for you to proceed with this feature. Now, over here, as you can see, you will have a pop-up. What do you see? And you can just simply select traffic from the option. And now from here, you will have multiple options, whether the traffic is heavy or just a usual traffic, or you could go for standstill. So pretty much you will have three options over here. And right after that, as you can see, we should be able to mark the road as it has a traffic on it. And guys, if you look for other location, as you can see, other users reported as well that certain road has traffic on it. And pretty much this will help other users as well that this area is on traffic. So pretty much that's how you report a traffic on Waze. Just make sure to turn on the location in order for you to proceed with this process. And pretty much this will help others as well to navigate through your location. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.